In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a channel in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So have you ever found yourself in a Slack channel that just isn't serving your needs anymore? Maybe it's filled with too many notifications, or the conversations no longer interest you. That's okay. It's super easy to leave a channel and regain some of that peaceful Slack space. Let's go through the steps together. First, you'll want to open Slack. Whether you're on your desktop using the web version or on your mobile device, navigate to the application and find your workspace. Over on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of all your workspaces. Go ahead and click on the specific workspace that contains the channel you want to exit. Once you've done that, it's time to locate the channel you'd like to leave. Scroll through your channel list until you find that specific channel. Once you spot it, click on it to open the channel. Now you'll be inside the channel, seeing all the messages and discussions that are taking place. Next, we need to access the channel settings. Look over to the top right corner of the window where you'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the ellipsis icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu that has various options related to the channel. From this menu, you'll want to select Channel Details. This will bring up a panel with more information about the channel. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this pop-up window, and there you will see the option to leave the channel. Go ahead and click on Leave Channel. Just like that, you're almost free. Now, you might wonder what happens when you leave a channel. The good news is that leaving a channel doesn't delete any of your previous messages or shared files. You won't lose any of that history. Instead, it simply removes the channel from your active list and stops those pesky alerts and notifications from flooding your day. So to recap, you open your Slack app, select the workspace, find the channel, and then navigate to the channel settings to officially leave. It's a straightforward process that can really help tidy up your Slack experience. If you're looking for a less cluttered workspace, or just want to focus on the channels that matter most to you, this is the way to go. And there you have it. That's how to leave a channel in Slack with ease. I hope this little tutorial helps you manage your Slack channels better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and